Imagine a frame that blends the elegance of the past with the limitless possibilities of the future. Introducing Galari, an e-paper frame that produces a traditional print experience in a versatile digital form. Galari's stunning e-paper display uses ambient light instead of emitting light, mimicking the look of real ink on real paper, and allowing you to showcase beautiful digital images with a warm, organic feel that isn't distracting. In fact, Galari is so indistinguishable from paper, it's like magic when it happens. Feature your own photos or art without the cost of professional prints. Share family photos with other Galari users. Or pick from thousands of gorgeous images in our ever-evolving gallery. You can even display a Galari curated exhibit, a themed playlist of images that changes on its own at the interval you choose. Or create an exhibit featuring your own images. But it's not just art. You can set Galari to morning mode with weather and info for your morning commute that automatically appears when you're getting ready for your day. Galari is simple to hang and features a variety of solid wood frames, so it's the perfect addition to any decor. And of course, we didn't overlook the power. Galari's rechargeable batteries can run for over 6 months on just one charge. Or simply plug Galari into the wall to kiss charging goodbye. With Galari's seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, we're thrilled to introduce effortlessly accessible new functions to users in the years ahead, like daily comics, quotes of the day, message sending to other users, and so much more. Galari combines the charm of the past and the innovations of the future for a spark of light that blends into your everyday life. One frame, endless inspiration. That's Galari.